We were a little atypical because we had never had an ERP before. If we had an ERP, our implementation would have been easier on OmegaCube in particular, and us. I remember they were pretty honest about, if you're going from no ERP to ERP, it's going to be difficult on the production floor. We just took it like, how do you eat an elephant, right? That's really what we did, and OmegaCube really helped move at our pace. And I even think it was probably a little frustrating for them, as it was even for us, to just have these little incremental progressive implementations that, to be honest, that's even happening still. The feature suite is so large. When I talk about some of the customizations that we're doing this week, that's really throwing in our quality assurance process in a greater way, what we're doing even this week. It's almost another little mini implementation. So those guys have been great to be really responsive, to be willing to move at our pace. That was what I appreciated.